Hello guys, I'm gonna do unboxing video with this. Wow, I'm gonna get one. I will get another one tomorrow.
Magaling magtago ng emosyon ng babae.
This is
Palagi mo siya, call me anytime. Anong number niya, sir?
they're so cute. But then if you have a
Looks
wig,
ugly.
you're gonna
If it's like this.
But it's so cute. If you have a wig, you can put it there. You're so smart. Yeah, I am. Bye.